Welcome to DJM TV.
People, I greet you and welcome now once again to DJM TV. Make una do it to the follow us, like, share, subscribe. And I am to bring all the Oboge news they come your way. This will not be them say. This one is see for yourself. Make you hear for yourself.
On today news, very dark man don't come outside to talk why this protest for Nigeria need to hold, because he no say if it help reduce the hardship where they go on. He don't talk say some people don't they come out to talk say APC government pay to do all these things where they do. He don't come decline the rumor, say nothing like that. He want the betterment of the people, not make really wants to make this protest hold. He don't talk say he don't want to make the protest fail like the way Endsars they fail. He wants to make everybody use their head for this protest to make sure say at the end of the day they not waste their time to do the protest. My people, I want to plan on the video. Make una hear item talk the matter. Make una watch this video reach the end.
So in respect to the protest video I made, I see some people saying APC they use me, APC don't pay me, you know. Maybe not because of say I no talk say Mona go fight, Mona carry gun, Mona do this one. I see say they compare on ourselves with Kenya. Well, shout out to Kenya for motivating other African youth to stand up for themselves. But Nigerians, please don't do that mistake of comparing yourself to Kenya. This is not Kenya. Do you understand? Okay, now this Kenya you're talking about, how many people did Kenya? About 60 million people. How many people did Nigeria? About 300 and something million people. Would they use about 300 million till they pass Kenya? How many tribes did Kenya? They have about 50 tribes. Nigeria gave about 300 and something tribes. How do you compare those countries? Do you know that there are a lot of people think about the factors that will happen when we are not careful about this protest? Just think about it. I'm not trying to put fear in you. I'm trying to make us think so that we'll be careful, so that we achieve the thing with sense. Do you understand? We get issue of Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, IPOB that cannot wait to take opportunity and invade. As we speak now, Benue and Ebonyi states that they fight because of land. This fight don't they go on for over years now. They fight steadily, they carry guns, they fight themselves. To the point where they say the governor allegedly give Benue citizens, Benue people guns, maybe they fight for themselves. The governor. Is that bad? There's fights going on in Jos, where they fight people for Jos on a steady. Do you understand? Do you understand? Nigeria gave about how many tribes? And some of these tribes, they don't even like themselves. They are waiting for an opportunity where they'll taste it, they attack themselves now. May they fight. These are the factors I was considering. No be anything. Not saying about gaga. Now another factor that you consider is the Nigerian government. You think if you want to protest, you want to scatter government, or you want protest, government say they go happy. Government have a format of sending their own people to scatter protests. How do they scatter it? They go join all of us. We go to do, we no go agree. Now their own people now go come enter inside mall, go break mall. Now their own people now go come enter inside mall, scatter mall, go loot. Which person head or put them? When I talk about leaders, you think I talk about one person who go stand or two people who go say, yes, now we be the leader of this group. No. It is within yourself that you know. The person who go tell us say, let's stand! All of us stand, brace for impact. Everybody go stand. Brace for impact. Say, oh boy, you don't get very touch. The one who tells you, let's sit down here. Boy, we're not going to feed their ginger. You talk, you know, I don't say plenty of that no get sense. Endsars failed because he didn't have a direction. No be Endsars will go where people will carry girls. Some people they take tramadol, they take codeine. Some people they take refno, they carry girls, different girls they come they wear. Somebody go wear bomb shots, somebody go carry breast, they shoe for everywhere. Boys they smoky go up and down. Endsars didn't have a direction. I know they tell you may you be a mumu. I'm telling you that we have to use sense. The price of things is up, for crying out loud. Only that fuel price, if you can achieve fuel price, we are good. If they can carry fuel price to at least lower than 200, we are good. The moment fuel price drop, every other thing in this country will follow it. Food price will drop drastically. Bam! It will drop, everything will drop. The protest is a must, but we should not be used as an opportunity. We should not be taken advantage of if we want to do these things. Use your sense. Before you compare Kenya and Nigeria, understand what we Nigerians they face. Understand the problems that are going on in Nigeria. before you compare yourself. Else we might learn.
And this one I carry can't give una today. We'll make una do it to like, share, drop your comments. I want to know your opinion concerning this matter. Until we meet again for another news, make una always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ